Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to create your account in Charles Schwab Brokerage. Whether you're looking to start investing in the stock market or manage your finances better, before we get started, let's quickly discuss Charles Schwab. It's one of the largest and most reputable online brokers, offering a wide range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, and mutual funds. They also provide some great research tools. Before you start the account creation process, make sure you have the following ready: a valid email address, your social security number, SSN, or tax identification number, TIN, proof of identity, like a driver's license or passport, employment information, including your employer's name and address. With these, you'll be ready to go. Step 1. Go to the Charles Schwab website. Open your browser and type in www.schwab.com. Step 2. Click on Open an account. This will be on the top right of the homepage. Step 3. Choose your account type. Select the type of account you want to open. You'll usually pick between an individual brokerage account or retirement accounts like an IRA. Click on Begin the process. Click on Agree. Step 4. Fill out your personal information. Enter your personal details, including your name, address, and email address. Enter your password information. Enter your mail passcode information. Create your login credentials. Select your security question. Select your country. Continue. Update employment status. Answer all the question. Click on Continue. Select your investment objectives. Enter your financial history. Continue. Step 5. Review your information. Continue. Agree terms and condition. Step 6. Upload your documents. Step 6. Finally, review all your information, and if everything looks good, click on Submit to create your account. Complete your Form WB-8N. Fund it. You can transfer money from your bank account or another brokerage account, and that's it. You've successfully created your Charles Schwab account. Remember, investing is a journey, so take your time to explore the platform and learn more. If you have any questions or need further help, drop them in the comments below, and I'll make sure to get back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notifications for more stock market tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.